been with Porsche since 1988. This has been my career, my passion, my love.
Every day I start fresh, and it's a new day, a new opportunity to keep our cars safe and the people around them is safe in the road as well.
The big thing for me is a relationship with customers. That to me is very important. We're all a family here. It's special.
At Porsche South Bay, we have several staff members that have had decades worth of experience. On top of that, they've received training from the factory that is really second to none.
All those things lead up to being a premier dealership. It helps customers know that Porsche South Bay is one of the top dealerships in the country.
I mean, these are pieces of artwork. So we have to have the parts and a great team of technicians. They're the best in the industry.
Thank you for calling Porsche South Bay.
As advisors, it's trying to make them feel comfortable, welcome, and at home. So when they do leave with a smile, I accomplished my goal.
We have an 80-car loaner fleet so that there's a Porsche for you to drive, and staff, both from the service advisor, parts, and technician level, are specially trained in terms of the care that you need. And now the Porsche Classic program allows for comprehensive and complete restoration services all under one roof.
So no matter what, we can take care of you here at Porsche South Bay.